Are you eternally insecure about your underarms? The pigmentation you're probably dealing with is a normal part of life, and everyone, trust us, everyone has it. So you should never be embarrassed to rock your favorite sleeveless top and throw your hands up, no matter what they look like. Still, we understand that self-confidence can take time to build, and it isn't always easy. So until then, we at Glamrs have a simple solution to this very real problem. Your underarms go through a lot. Even just going through your day normally causes sweating, friction, and irritation and leaves them feeling itchy and sensitive. On top of all this, we constantly use deodorants to prevent odor and sweating. And while that may seem unavoidable, they also leave behind some buildup in your pits. All of this adds up to a recipe for underarm disaster. Cleansing it daily is important, but a good scrub once a week can also help get rid of the dead cells latching onto your underarms, making them smoother and softer. Whip up a quick one by mixing 1 tablespoon of orange peel powder, a tablespoon of rose water, and 2 tablespoons of milk. Rub it in circular motions and rinse off for refreshed underarms that will smell great too. Patchy underarms are something none of us can escape. Of course, that doesn't mean we chase the airbrushed model underarm look. We have a solution that's realistic and affordable. Say hello to hands up. Massage a dollop to clean dry skin at night. The light cream will absorb seamlessly with no residue, and it'll do its job while you get your beauty sleep. It has all the best pigmentation busting ingredients like niacinamide, kojic acid, licorice extracts, and orange oil that come together to help reduce the pigmentation and patchiness. Hands Up is free of baddies such as parabens, SLS, lead, and even silicones. Patience is key, so the longer the pigmentation has been present, the longer it will take to see some significant changes. We'd say around 4 to 5 weeks for visible results. And that's okay, because great things come to those who wait. For everyone who favors painless hair removal, a razor is no less than a magic wand. If used correctly, a couple of swipes can magically make the head disappear, but the wrong way can cause bumps and patchiness. To avoid any of those negative side effects, remember to exfoliate the area before and grab a fresh razor. This will make sure your razor glides on without any hitches on the smooth surface. More importantly, make sure you always pull your skin taut and gently swipe across in the opposite direction of the hair growth. Post this, you can apply some cooling aloe cubes and even a soothing cream to prevent angry flare-ups and ingrown hair. Shaving in this way will rid your skin of its unwanted ingrown tannins that can also be a huge cause for pigmentation. It's completely normal to have beauty problems, but it doesn't mean there can't be any solutions. We hope these tips help you and you give our product a try, because we've tailor-made it keeping you and your underarm concerns in mind. Thanks for watching this video, and until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.